I made over $1,200 on YouTube in 1 month, and I want to help you do the same. Listen, I'm just an average guy. I don't have YouTube figured out, and I really don't have the algorithm figured out. But I can say this, if you work hard, if you're dedicated, if you keep on making each upload better than the last one, you really can make a full-time income on YouTube. I'm not there yet. I made 1,200 bucks. Listen, it didn't happen overnight. It took a lot of hard work, but I'm not doing anything that you can't do either. September was my best month ever on YouTube by far. In October, the current month, isn't gonna hit the same as September, but it might get close. Let's look at the numbers. Now, as you can see, in the month of September, I had 393,000 views, and that equaled a revenue of $1,226.22. Man, I was excited about that. You can see how that is a huge jump up from August. August, I had 135,000 views and revenue of $404.11. So I made 3 times more money in September than I did in August. Man, I was so excited. I'm gonna go ahead and show you October as well. So far in October, I've made $578.95, and that's through the 16th. So I'm on track to break $1,000 again. I probably won't make as much as I did in September, but that's okay. We're going with averages here, and on average, we are definitely going up. That's what we want to see. Here's the last 365 days. In August, it started going up, and then September had a really good month in terms of views and in terms of income. Now it's come down just a little bit since then, but that's okay. What we're seeing is an upward trend, and that's exactly what we want to see. Listen, I don't have it all figured out, but I think I can give you a few tips as to how you might be able to see the same kind of thing on your channel. Number 1, keep on improving. Don't be satisfied putting out the same kind of content with the same production value over and over and over and thinking that you're just gonna suddenly blow up. It's not gonna happen that way. If you wanna see extraordinary results like this, you gotta put in the work. You gotta keep on getting better. You've probably heard it before, but one definition of insanity is to keep on doing the same thing and expect different results. If you want to see a level of income that you've never had on YouTube before, you got to put in a level of work that you've never put in before. It doesn't happen overnight, but it can happen if you make small improvements over time, over and over and over again. This was not my first month on YouTube. This was about 1.5 years after putting in consistent work on YouTube. And for the first 10 months, I didn't make a dime. But after that 10th month, I got monetized and I started seeing a small amount of income, and that was motivating. Once that happened, I started putting in even more effort. My goal is to make every video a little bit better than the one before it. It doesn't have to be a huge improvement. It really doesn't. But if you're consistently making small improvements over time, that adds up. If you make every video even just 1% better than the one before that, after 100 videos, that's 100% better, right? I'm not great at math. I don't know if that works that way, but I can say this. If you're constantly getting better, then you're constantly getting better. And if you're putting in more work, you're gonna see more results. It seems so simple, and it really has to be simple if I'm gonna get it. I don't have it all figured out. And really, I intend for this channel to be more than just about YouTube. I'm gonna be talking about making money in various things, but right now, I can only focus on one thing at a time. And right now, I'm focused on making money on YouTube. There are huge opportunities on YouTube to make money. If I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.